Hello guys! Samahan niyo muli kaming magbakasyon at bumalik ng Los Angeles, California dahil this time tayo ay mamamasyal sa Universal Studio Hollywood. We arrived at LAX, Los Angeles Airport around 10:30 a.m. at pre-book ko na yung aming rent-a-car. So this time, nag-take kami ng shuttle bus from LAX going doon sa aming rent-a-car depot. And after namin makuha yung aming sasakyan na gagamitin for the duration ng aming stay sa LA, we decided to stop at Wingstop to get lunch. So yung Wingstop, similar siya I would say sa Chico Chicken natin sa Canada. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ang Wingstop has 12 flavors at ang in-order namin is the Game Night Bundle. And for the flavors, we chose spicy Korean chicken, garlic parmesan, and also honey garlic chicken. And that includes large fries and drinks as well. Right after naming mag-lunch ay nag-drive na kami papuntang Santa Monica to visit Santa Monica Beach and to see the Santa Monica Pier. Kung makikita nyo naman, napaka-clear ng sky and this is July. At if hindi ako nagkakamali, this is the middle of their summer. Kaya yung temperature dyan, nung nagpunta kami, is around 31 to 33 degrees Celsius. Then after, naglakad-lakad kami along the pier and yung Santa Monica Pier is nasa foot ng Colorado Avenue sa Santa Monica, California. And may mga maliit na amusement park, concession stands, and areas for viewing and fishing.
Is that good?
After namin sa Santa Monica Pier, we head out to see the Venice Beach, which is only 5 minutes drive away from the pier. At sa beach na ito, marami kang makikitang street performers at saka mga locals na nagtitinda ng original paintings, souvenirs, and jewelries. Sa beach na ito, mo makikita ang one of the only in the world skate park that is located on a beach. Decide na kaming mag-drive papunta sa aming hotel and on our way to our hotel, nakita namin yung Hollywood sign doon sa mismong mountain. So nag-stop kami for a little picture. Kinaumagahan, maaga kaming gumising para mag-breakfast sa lobby ng aming hotel. At dito pala kami nagstay sa Embassy Suites Glendale, which is only 15 minutes away sa Universal Studios Hollywood. And after namin mag-breakfast, ay nag-drive na kami papunta sa Universal Studios. At for parking, there are two options kung saan ka pwedeng mag-park. So it's either dun sa mismong entrance ng Universal Studios. And ang napili naming pagparkan ay dito sa My City Walk, which is much cheaper than if you park doon sa front ng Universal Studios. For day 1, nag-purchase ako ng early access for Mario World. Kaya nung makapasok kami, dumiretso agad kami sa Super Nintendo World. Ano nga ba yung early access? So, the early access ticket allows you to enter the Super Nintendo World 1 hour before the park officially opens para ma-enjoy mo yung park bago dumami yung tao. The ticket also includes one-time express access to studio tour, so valid only until 11 a.m. Nag-purchase kami ng kanilang power-up bands. So these are snap bracelet na magagamit mo para mag-interact ka sa mga different things sa Super Nintendo World. Itong band na to, it allows you to punch yung mga boxes and bricks para ma-uncover mo yung mga secret items and fully complete yung mga challenges and games ng park na ito.
Open it, they're right here. Twist it. Again.
Punta na nga kami at pumila dito sa nag-iisang ride dito sa Super Nintendo World, which is the Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Para ma-experience mo ang ride na ito, kailangan mong pumasok sa napakalaking castle ni Bowser. At pagpasok mo, makikita mo yung detailed and vibrant designs ng mga characters, set pieces, mga Easter eggs from different Super Mario games throughout the decades. At the end of the line, merong mga visor ka makikita. Kailangan mong magsuot ng visor. At yung visor, they're very cute. It resembles Mario's hat. And may mga knob dun sa likod ng visor where you can adjust the visor to fit your head. And then dun sa mismong ride seat, meron kang makikitang mga goggles. You have to attach those goggles doon sa visor mo. And kailangan mo yung goggles and visors para makita mo talaga yung mga projected graphics during the ride. Lunchtime na nang matapos kami sa Super Nintendo World, kaya naman dumiretso na kami sa Jurassic Cafe para mag-lunch. Pagkatapos namin kumain ay tinry na namin itong Jurassic World ride. At itong Jurassic World The Ride is a thrilling ride. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa underwater exhibit nila, mafe-feel mo talaga na nasa movie ka dahil makikita mo tong mga life-size dinosaurs and predators. Itong The Jurassic World The Ride ang isa sa aking pinaka-paborito at na-enjoy dito sa Universal Studio Hollywood. Kaya pag napabisita kayo dito, wag niyong kakalimutan itry ang ride na ito.
please.
Security team is deployed. They will get you.
Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Control units are on their way. Not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
What happened, Annabella? You okay?
I expected that.
Yay! See? Hands up!
Another cool element dito sa Jurassic World is makakakita ka ng baby dinosaurs or dinosaur together with their raptor handler kung saan pwede kang magpa-picture. After Jurassic World, nagpunta na kami sa Transformer kung saan nakita namin si Bumblebee at si Optimus Prime. And then, tinry naman namin ang Transformers ride. So, essentially, ito ay indoor dark ride na merong mga motion simulator vehicles na tinatry kang isave from the robots. At itong ride na to is more fast-paced at non-stop action na wala ka ng pagkakataon pang mag-isip kung ano yung nangyayari at ano yung susunod na mangyayari.
Thanks for being the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.
And finally, I'll show you one of the best rides and attractions dito sa Universal Studio Hollywood, and it is the Studio Tours. So this is one of the fan favorite dito sa Universal Studio.
Harness the power of lightning to take this very time machine back to the future. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you have just survived Earthquake, the big one. Did I fool you?
Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, lies a sinister secret.
Oh, let's just make it seem like it was collapsing beneath them. keep them at bay for a while.
That scared me!
From an airplane in the Mojave Desert where they would send decommissioned planes, they were no longer being used. But there's a lot to
I'll tell you who I am. We don't work with nobody.
And one of the best thing that happened na hindi namin inaasahan nung time na nagpunta kami is that this is their 60th anniversary. So we were given a chance to step out sa Studio Tour trams and experience the studio backlot by foot. At after namin sa studio tour ay dumiretso na kami sa Secret Life of Pets na talaga namang kinagiliwan at kinatuwaan ng aking mga bulilit. At itong rides na to, para kang nandun sa pet adoption event or home, and then they use facial recognition technology na tinatransfer yung mga faces ng riders or passenger to look like stray puppies na naghahanap ng home or forever homes na mag-a-adapt sa kanila. Kaya sobrang aliw talaga. Highly recommend ko to sa mga bibisita ng Universal Studios. At kinagabihan, naglakad-lakad kami para makita pa yung mga ibang display sa Universal Studio at habang naglalakad kami, nakita namin si Frankenstein kasama ang kanyang bride. At sa gitna ng plaza, nandoon naka-display ang Back to the Future car and also nakita rin namin ang Bike with E.T. in the basket. And after naming mag-picture ay nag-decide na kaming bumalik sa aming hotel. So dito pala ulit kami dumaan sa City Walk dahil nandito ang aming parking. The next morning ay maaga muli kaming gumising para sa aming day 2 sa Universal Studio. At gaya kahapon, dito ulit kami magpa-park sa may City Walk. For the second day, hindi na ako nag-purchase ng early access kaya nung papunta kaming Universal, in-explore muna namin yung mga store na gustong puntahan ng mga bata sa City Walk.
You have the anything? Oh wow.
At pagpasok namin ng park, dumiretso agad kami sa Power Up Cafe dahil itong dalawa super interested dito sa drink na to. Kaya naman, tara subukan natin. And after that, dumiretso na kami sa Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall. Please try to stay with us. You're supposed to.
The Dragon Warrior! I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
At pagkatapos namin sa Kung Fu Panda, bumalik kami sa Super Mario World para sa aming lunch reservation sa Toad's Cafe.
Wait, hit it early, darling. Hit it before it hits the wall. Okay. Thank you.
What's inside? Can you see? Wow! Is that a cookie? Can I see?
Do not pack it. I think Mario saved us. Mario saved us.
Keep that. Hey, keep that. Yeah, you can keep that.
Can I see? Thumbs up? Oh, it's a cookie. And to wrap up our Universal Studio vacation, nagpunta muli kami sa Despicable Me ride at si Jillian ayaw mag-dance.
I don't know how to dance.
Pero hindi dito nagtatapos ang aming 2024 getaway at samahan nyo kami pagkatapos ng Los Angeles, California. Lumipad kami papuntang Las Vegas, Nevada. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami sa susunod na video. Paalam!